In a land called Uz, there lived a man named Job. He was known for his integrity, wealth, and unwavering faith in God. His life was blessed with abundance, a loving family, and prosperity that seemed unending. Yet, unbeknownst to Job, a conversation was unfolding in the heavenly realms where Satan challenged Job's righteousness, suggesting it was merely due to his prosperous life. God permitted Satan to test Job, stripping him of his wealth, his children, and his health. Job sat in despair, covered in sores, yet he did not curse God. Instead, he pondered his suffering and sought answers from his friends, who insisted his misfortunes were a result of hidden sins. Amidst the ashes of his former life, Job wrestled with his anguish, questioning why the righteous suffer, yet maintaining his integrity and faith. His friends offered little comfort as they debated the nature of divine justice and human suffering. Job's heart cried out for understanding, longing to plead his case before God. Finally, God spoke to Job out of the whirlwind, reminding him of the vastness of divine wisdom and the mysteries beyond human comprehension. Humbled by the encounter, Job repented for questioning God's plans. In the end, God restored Job's fortunes, blessing him with twice as much as he had before. His family grew, his health returned, and his faith, tested by fire, emerged stronger and more profound. The story of Job teaches us about enduring faith, the mystery of suffering, and the ultimate justice of God. As we reflect on Job's journey, may we find inspiration in his resilience and trust in the divine plan.